Good afternoon. We are Team 2. This is Yukti, and on behalf of my team, I'm here to give a little introduction on the project that has been given to us by SmartBridge. During the remote summer internship, which had been there for 3 weeks of training and 1 week of project, where we learned the concepts of machine learning and deep learning. The project that we worked on was skin disease identification using image analysis. Image processing techniques help to build automated screening system for dermatology at initial stage. The extraction of feature plays a key role in helping to classify skin diseases. This method takes the digital image of a disease affect skin area, then use image analysis to identify the type of disease. A proposed approach is simple, fast, and does not require expensive equipment. This model identifies if it's one among the five skin diseases, which are acne, melanoma, psoriasis, rosacea, vitiligo. Now, Jyotika will continue.
Good afternoon. My name is Jyotika. I am pursuing my graduate engineering in G. Narayanama Institute, Hyderabad, second year. I am from IT branch. So my project name was skin disease identification using image analysis. I was assigned with a task to create a train and test folders. So I downloaded a few images and created it. To send to a model, we have to process the data. So our data is images. To process the image data, we use image data generator from the Keras library. To apply image data generator functionality to run and test, we use object for the class image data generator. There will be class mode as a categorical. That means the given data, the diseases will be encoded as a categorical value. And my experience was on enrolling myself into the ML and DL algorithm to learn. I found the process to be more professional and practical oriented. The best part was our mentor Mahati ma'am dealt with the queries and solved. While doing this project with our teammates, it could be and I could understand that the concept were learned better and practice by giving the assignments and quizzes by ma'am. And this is the best platform I have ever seen to learn the trending technologies. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Kushal from IK Gujarat Punjab Technical University. I'm currently pursuing my second year in computer science and engineering. In this project of skin disease classification, I was assigned the task of model building. For this, first of all, I imported the all model building libraries. Then I initialized the model. After initializing the model, I load all the preprocessed data. And after preprocessing, I added the CNN and dense layers. During this internship, the faculty from Smart Bridge, Mahati ma'am, was very professional, cool. She ensures that each one of us can understand the concept before moving on to another concept. She was available 24/7 to clarify any type of doubts we have. At all, it was a wonderful learning experience. I would definitely recommend SmartBridge to each and everyone who aims to learn new concept and gain industry level knowledge. Now my friend Rohit will continue.
Everyone, my name is Rohit Dabla and I am from Srinath Institute of Science and Technology. My branch is Information Technology and my project is skin disease identification using image analysis. In this group project, my task was model building. In model building, I have few parts: learning process, train and test the model, and optimize and save the model. In configure the learning process, the both training data defined and model defined. Next we have to do is in the configure learning process, this accomplish with a call to the compile method of the sequential model class. The compilation part requires three arguments: an optimizer, a loss function, and a list of metrics. And second step is train and test the model. The training data is used to make sure the machine recognize pattern in the data. The cross-validation data is used to ensure the better accuracy and efficiency of the algorithm used to train the machine. Training begins by calling fit method, and the test data is used to see how well the machine can predict nuances based on its training. After this step, it will take few minutes based on the number of epochs we gave. And the last step is optimize and save the model. So my part is done. And my experience with SmartBridge, this is my first internship, and I learned so many things. It is a best platform for internships. And about Mahati ma'am, she's a brilliant teacher. She has so much patience. She listened everyone's doubts and cleared every people queries. She explained 3 to 4 times for better understanding. And even if people won't get outputs, ma'am also connected by TeamViewer.
I'm Yukti and I'm pursuing my third year BTech in St. Martin's Engineering College in the stream of computer science from Hyderabad. The task that was given to me was to create the user interface using HTML and CSS. I used a base.html and index.html page where I have given a navigation bar on the top using navbar which by using CSS. Also, I gave a background image to make it look a little attractive. The browse option there let us browse through our files and lets us select a picture for which it is to be predicted. And then we click on predict. The output, that is the type of skin disease, would be seen. This remote summer internship program from SmartBridge has personally helped my growth in machine learning and deep learning field. I have learned so much and I'm very much satisfied and grateful for this opportunity. I strongly recommend this course because it guides you to explore from theory to practice, and our mentor, Mahati ma'am, has guided us, nurtured us, and has made sure that every student in the class has understood the part. Thank you. Now, Disha will continue.
Hello everyone. My name is Disha Chugh and I am currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from JMIT Kurukshetra University. In the project development phase, I was given the task of creating the Flask code for a project web app. To serve the saved model, I used Flask, a micro web framework written in Python. To create a web app that can identify different types of skin diseases, I created two routes on our Flask app: an index page route for the users to upload the image of their skin diseases, a predict route to make inferences from a saved model. So this is our website running on our local host. We can go to the choose button and upload the image, and and then click on the predict button. We will see we will see and the get output of our prediction, which is showing that which skin disease we are suffering from. Here say we uploaded the image and it identifies we are having skin disease called acne. So as a team, I would say that I had a great experience in learning machine learning and deep learning from SmartBridge. We had the 24 into 7 guidance of our trainer, Miss Mahati. She ensured that each of us understands every topic well and simultaneously practically implement it to gain proper knowledge about each concept. So, as a team, we would like to say thank you to our trainer, Ms. Mahathi, for constantly guiding and supporting us through the internship, and SmartBridge for giving us an opportunity like this. Thank you.